stop. Make it stop, please. So this noise you're hearing, which sounds like a high-speed fart, is basically what happens when the gasket between the front Nissan windshield that's on the roof-mounted shield, the gasket on the roof and the gasket on the bottom of the shield have separated and is allowing a very small air gap, and the wind is just going in and making that horrible fart noise. Now take that noise and imagine that I've driven about 60 miles with that noise going on today. I'm almost home, so when I get home I'm gonna bust out the sockets, take that shield off, and just rip that gasket right out of there if it's not fixable to begin with. Oh man, 60 miles of this. 2004 Nissan Xterra, in case anybody's wondering.